Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, maybe late at night. This video on the AC500s and also the AC400s, this has to do with installing an MEI where there was a Coinco, and a little bit about the new compact hopper that is a replacement hopper for the old ones, but I haven't had a board in stock to be able to really show you how this works. So this is out of an AC500. We've got a few of them here in the shop that we're refurbishing for resale. So without further ado, let me put this down on the bench and we're going to hook it up and show you our harness that converts into an MEI hookup rather than a Coinco. So let's do this. We will show you what we have here on the workbench. We have just a standard, any 110 volt MEI will work. The 2400 series, the 2500 series, and you've got two ends, part of our harness kit, that go in the board here. You get the square 3x3, and then you have the 6-pin inline plug here. Get a little close up here. You know what I'm talking about. That's how it goes. And I have a used secondhand hopper here on the bench, as well as a new replacement. And this has what looks like the old Coinco style plug-in. I think that's about 12 pins. It's on the other side of the transformer, so you're not looking directly at it. You always want to be sure your board is in the off position when you plug it in. And I think we've got everything ready to go. We have some money in our hopper. Let me see if I can't find at least one single here. So you see we're flashing. That's a good indicator that we're ready to go, and we also have the solid red light on. So here is our earlier hopper, which is right out of a machine, and we should get 4 quarters. If you ever get less than that, or possibly more, it's usually less. There's a good indicator that, see that little plug-in chip right there? It's a little bit expensive too, guys, but there's a possibility that yours is bad if it's shorting you and giving you 3. There's one more reason, and I unfortunately don't have a hopper that is a part, but there's a little red, what they call an eject finger in here. If you take that hopper extension off, it's red. It commonly breaks after 15 years or so, and that could be a problem. And unfortunately, as of yet, nobody has been successful in remaking that little eject finger. So maybe we'll be the first ones. If anybody out there has really good experience with 3D printing, and we're not talking about a little device at home, because that's been tried. We need something with a very, very strong plastic, maybe with some fiber in it. Now, this is the newest compact hopper. These are the replacements. This one here, as you can see by the plug, same plug, that's for the 110 volt systems. Now, if you have the later AC500 with the 24 volt system, which of course has the little green display in the middle there for programming, it's the same hopper, but you have to order them with a different harness. So keep that in mind, and I'm going to put 2 links down below so you have access to our AC500 conversion harness. Once again, it's just strictly plug and play. You use either 110 volt MEI, whether it's a 2411 or a 2511, they will both work. And of course you only want to take 1s and 5s, because if you take 20s in these, they don't really have the hopper capacity. So keep that in mind, guys. So anyways, I'm glad we had a little bit of time this Sunday morning to show you the AC500 components. And if you're looking for a hopper or a complete change machine, we have them all. Check out our links down below, guys. We appreciate you being a subscriber as well. Best to y'all. I'm out.